Mayeni said she loved her grandkids equally, the four of them, three boys and one girl. Amahle have a boy child with Mpumelelo, Tirelo and Fuyokazi. Fuyokazi have two kids with Mpumelelo, a boy and a girl. Mayeni said she loved them equally. I don't know their relationship with Fuyokazi. They fixed their things because Fuyokazi was complaining about Mayeni. Musamseleku was the one who started exposing Mayeni. Mayeni didn't say bad things about Fuyokazi, but Musamseleku exposed Mayeni like she is a bad person. Mayeni sometimes is a human being. She is not perfect. So Fuyokazi's mother have to forgive Mayeni. We don't know because Mpumelelo and Fuyokazi now they have a good relationship, but we don't know with Mayeni. Fuyokazi blocked Mayeni, so they have to fix their relationship about the kids. Last time Mayeni was protecting Fuyokazi and Tirelo on life. She said those people are my kids, Fuyokazi and Tirelo. Don't compare them. You say Fuyokazi this, Tirelo that. But I was shocked Fuyokazi was exposing Mayeni about how she was being treated by Mayeni. Mayeni doesn't want to come on public or to publish how they can live. Even Mayeni can say something Fuyokazi she was doing, those bad things she was doing. So Mayeni is a human being. She is not perfect like us, but people we can judge her left and right center because of Fuyokazi. What? Mayeni love her grandkids. Guys, it's very hard. Mayeni have to accept the situation because Mpumelelo is pregnanting woman after woman, and Mayeni she was not ready to be a grandmother. You know Mayeni have got three kids, Munini, Obanzi and Mpumelelo, and she was counting that if she have those three kids, Mayeni have to rest, not to have pampers to take care of the baby, what. So it's hard to Mayeni. So sometimes don't blame me. And she says she loved them all. Even with Amahle, it took time Mayeni to accept Amahle, the situation in Mpumelelo he was doing to her. And Msamseleku want to give Mayeni all those the burdens. If they've got a problem, those Mpumelelo's girlfriends or Mpumelelo's wives, they can go to Mayeni, start complaining to Mayeni instead to go to Musamseleku. That's why Tirelo was complaining last time to Musamseleku on Izingane Zestembu season 3. Mayeni told Tirelo that you have to go to complain to his father, Musamseleku, not to me, because I'm not responsible for Mpumelelo's dramas to marrying woman after woman. So Mayeni sometimes is a human being, guys, and she doesn't have a choice. Mayeni have to accept them. She likes them or not, because Mpumelelo now you've got 4 kids. Imagine 4 kids, and those kids sometimes they can visit Mayeni. So it's very hard Mayeni to cook for those kids, and at other side she have got her own kids. Mayeni is a busy woman. Even those their mothers, Amahle, Fuyokazi, Tirelo, they have to understand if Mayeni, if she refused to take care of their kids, or their kids to come to holiday, Mayeni sometimes she can be tired, guys. She is busy at work, and at other side is kids. Musamseleku was not there at that time. Even Singabako, we can saw him at Mayeni's place. Guys, it's a very hard to that woman. I don't understand. Guys, it's very hard to Mayeni. Even Mayeni got married to Musamseleku, because if she was not married to Musamseleku, even they have got a child in Mpumelelo, I don't think that Mpumelelo can behave Istanbul. I don't think that. But it's, guys, it's very hard. And now it's Munini. Munini is going to have those kids, more wives, because Munini saw it to Mpumelelo. You understand? So it to Mpumelelo and Musamseleku, they are doing all those things. Mayeni was not okay with the Mpumelelo situation he was doing, but Mayeni accept it because those kids Our kids are her grandkids. She doesn't have a choice.